शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये।
If one desires to gain Brahmanishta, Brahmanishta is what? Having got the knowledge, that steadiness, firmness of the mind, well-rootedness of the mind in the knowledge without any identification with the embodiment. If that Jnana-nishta or Brahmanishta has to be gained, one should avoid pramada. Pramada is carelessness, inattentiveness in terms of thinking of Vishaya. By all means, one should give up Vishaya Chintana of the Vishaya. Why? What happens? Vishaya Chintana, just thinking of object in due course gives rise to kama, desire. Desire gets fructified in terms of activities to acquire the desired object. Indulgence, like this, what happens? One gets totally deprived of the appreciation of Atma Sarupa, for which an illustration was given of that of a ball which has fallen on the staircase. You should catch it immediately. If it slips off, it leaps and bounds, it goes further and further in the flight stages, so therefore you can't catch it. So therefore one has to be very careful about this, what is called as Vishaya Chintana or Pramada, other word used was Sankalpa. Sankalpana is thinking of Vishayas. So that was also Sankalpa. Tasma, because of this reason that we have seen so far, Sarvanarthasya Karanam, the cause of all anarthas. What is anartha? You know really what is anartha? In fact, we are already in anartha only. We are already in anartha. Think of it. Paramananda Swarupa, taking the body etc. as I, and in that, this is good, that is bad, I should have that, I should not have this. See what you are first, and afterwards all these things. All these calculations and evaluations are wrong from the Swarupa standpoint. Anartha, that is what anartha. Forgetting oneself, forgetting one's own Swarupa is the greatest anartha. So, sarvanarthasya karanam sankalpam, vishaya chintanam. So that is thinking of the vishaya. Vargaye should be given up. For which illustration is given. What is that? Yatha, just as vyadhigrastaha, a sick person, what he should do? Apathyani vastuni utsruje. Those things which are opposed to his diet or her diet. You see, whichever therapy you follow, there are restrictions on diet. Many times, what happens? The medicine, even though most appropriate, doesn't function unless the diet restrictions are there. For example, cholesterol. Diet restrictions are there or not? You can do one thing. You can cheat cholesterol also. You know why? Eat alshi. Anyway, Kirana does say alshi powder you can make chutney, but person who has got cholesterol problem will have blood pressure, high blood pressure also. Chutney means what will be there? Salt will be there. Best thing is make powder and sprinkle on this thing and see 4-5 rupees alshi powder will suffice for a family of 4 members for 1 week. And you contrast with the allopathic medicine. 1 tablet costs around 40 rupees. Old days rate, I don't know what is the present rate. I know a person, an MBBS doctor. Very, very clean person, working in municipality, etc. Never duty conscious, etc. Retired. I think he got some. He had gone for hiking, and there some this thing. Brother-in-law also was a consultant. He said, let us return, etc. And of course, doctor said you have to undergo bargaining stuff. And this person was told by a relative earlier, see, cholesterol you eat alshi. But he has no faith in Ayurveda. Finally, he underwent the bypass. He underwent the bypass. You know what? 3 lakhs were told. And date was fixed. After such a date was given. Afterwards, from the hospital, another surgeon said, no, such and such doctor. Do you know who the doctor is? He has operated Manmohan Singh. Dr. Padda. Okay. He has operated Manmohan Singh. He is very busy. He is not available. But on that day, 7 lakh slot is available. 3 lakh slot is not available. 7 lakh slot is. He told, I am not Manmohan Singh. I am not. I am not. You can guess where Padda is. Which hospital. And this lady surgeon, cardiovascular surgeon, earlier cardiovascular surgeon only had given the date effect and what will say, yeah, what came on the day. So then they waited. But meanwhile, he with some other this thing, was ready to get fixed with some other hospital as well. After 6 days, no, because he didn't respond. Now, the cot is available. What I am telling is, this Dr. Panda, after bypass surgery, he told him to eat alsi. it was why cardiovascular surgeon has said, earlier, relative had told, what, eat alsi, he didn't. He said, eat, look here, bypass is not a guarantee of your future cholesterol. Yes, it is not. Bypass is not a guarantee, and it just says that temporary fixing as such diet restrictions have to be taken to. Now, regularly then the relative answer. See, in Marathi they say, Sunara ne kaan tote na bolo. Only goldsmith has to pierce the ear. If somebody does, it doesn't work. And now it works now. So this is what this also psychology of the doctor. How much cheap it is. It really works. I took my weight got reduced. So I stopped afterwards. It reduces. Perhaps it must be reducing the weight. I had to stop. Otherwise, doctor says, eat more, they will say, as if I am starving. So now there is apatya against the diet. Against the diet as well. So there are apathyani vasuni. How a sick person has to avoid like that. That is sankalpa, vishaya chintana has to be avoided. Continuing.
Pramadana padoti mrityu vivekino brahma vidasamahau samahitah siddhi upaiti samyak samahitatma bhavatavadhana अन्वय अतः विवेकिनः ब्रह्मविदः प्रमादात् परः मृत्युः न अस्ति समाधौ समाहितः सम्यक् सिद्धिम् उपैति अतः त्वम् अपि to be added अतः त्वम् अपि सावधानः सन् समाहितात्मा भव. Again, अतः विवेकिनः ब्रह्मविदः प्रमादात् परः मृत्युः न अस्ति समाधौ समाहितः सम्यक् सिद्धिम् उपैति अतः त्वम् अपि सावधानः सन् समाहितात्मा भव.
Therefore means because of such pernicious effect of sankalpa or vishaya chintana. Ataha, what you do? Vivekinaha brahmavidaha. For viveki here is who? Brahma, jnani, Brahma, because not simply atman atma viveki. He is specified as brahmavit jnani. And who is that jnani? He has got Brahma Jnana, but Jnana Nishtha is not there. And he wants to gain the Jnana Nishtha. For Jnana Nishtha, mind has to get absorbed in the Sarupa, Samadhi is necessary for Satya Patsat. Okay. Brahma Vidaha, Vivekina Brahma Vidaha. Pramada, other than carelessness, other than inattentiveness, other than taking to Vishaya Chintana, he says Pramada. Aparaha, other Mrityuhu. Here Mrityu, death in the sense disaster. Not to be taken literally as death as such. Other Mrityuhu means disaster. There is Mrityuhu. Nasti. So that's Nasti. In contrast to this other person. Samadhau samahitaha siddhim upaiti. One who has got samadhau samahitaha. See, samadhi word can also mean Atma. In Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, this word, samadhi word can also mean buddhi. All Purusha, samadhiyate asmin sarvamiti, samadhi means buddhi. So samadhi also means what? The one Atma Sarupa, because everything is what? Entire Prapancha is abiding in the Atma, therefore say. Samadha we can see as Atmani. Samahitaha. Samahitaha means one whose mind has got absorbed, means a person who has got Samadhi in Atma Swarupa. So that's Samadhau Samahitaha. Siddhi Upaiti, gains the accomplishment. Which accomplishment? Brahmajnana Nishta. Yet Siddhi is not Ashtasiddhi etc. Context is of Jnana Nishta. Siddhi Upaiti. Brahmajnana Nishta. He gains. Siddhi Upaiti. Therefore, Ataha Tvamapi. If you take that Samadhau as Samadhi only, not Atma, Samadhau Samahita means abiding in Samadhi. Siddhi Upaiti. Abiding in Samadhi gains the Jnana Nishta, or making the mind get absorbed in the Atma Sarupa gains the Jnana Nishta. Either way, Samadhi word can be taken to Ataha, therefore, Tvamapi. Who is this Tvamapi? Shishya is told by the Guru. So you also, what you do, is Tvamapi. Savadhanaha san, with all alertness, with due alertness, carefulness. What is that carefulness? Guarding yourself from sankalpa or vishaya chintana. Guarding yourself from sankalpa or vishaya chintana. So that is savadhanaha san, samahitatma bhava. Be the one whose mind is absorbed in Atma Sarupa. So, where does this start? Nididhyasana. This starts is Samadhi you can't practice. Samadhi is the result of Nididhyasana. So therefore, take to Nididhyasana. Be on guard of yourself. Avoid Vishaya Chintana. Make the mind get absorbed in the Samadhi. Get the Samadhi in Atma Sarupa. Certainly, Siddhi, accomplishment, may be this Brahma Jnana Nishta you are bound to gain. And such a person who has got moksha here, Jiva Mukti, while living, bound to gain the Videha Mukti after the fall of the body.
Jivato yasya parivaryam videhe taja kevalaha yatinchit pashyato vedam ayam brute yajushruti. Yasya jivataha kaivalyam cha videhe saha kevalaha yatinchit vedam pashyataha yajushruti ayam brute. Again, yasya brute.
The one who has got kaivalya while living, yasya, the one in whose case, jivataha kaivalyam. Jivata means, while living, how long one lives? No, not how long. How long nobody knows. What is the criteria of living? Prana dharana. So jivata means until the pranas are there. So that is, so long as the pranas are sustained, so long as one lives. That's all. Yes, jivata. Kaivalyam means, what does it mean? A person who is a Jivan Mukta, and when you say Jivan Mukta, it is while living. How? Jivan. Mukta, but when? Jivan. Therefore, one who is a Jivan Mukta. For that person, Saha Videhe Cha Kevalam. Videhe means Prarabdha Kshaya. Prarabdha is over. Prarabdha Kshaya has taken place. The body has fallen off. You know who is it? Kevalaha. Kevala Atma Swarupaha, Brahma Swarupa. Why? Existent body got destroyed. Future embodiments are not there. Why future embodiments are not there? Jnana Kala only, Sanchita Agami got destroyed. Prarabdha was continued, and that now got exhausted. No momentum for any future there. Saha Kevalaha. Kevala means Atma Swarupaha, Brahma Swarupaha, Kevalaha. Yat kinchit bhedam pashyataha. On contrast to this, jivataha only, but not one who has got kaivalya, bhedam pashyataha. Sees the duality. Though that is what jnana is there, but still nishtha is not, nishtha knowledge is not there. Bheda he says, so yat kinchit says bhedam pashyataha, says yajushruti bhayam brute. Yajushruti, Shruti Veda from Yajurveda, that is namely Taittiriya Upanishad. It is Yada he vaishayi tasmin udaramantaram kurute atha tasya bhayam bhavati. Yada hi eva eshaha, what it does? Etasmin, here, ut aram antaram kurute. Even a wee bit of difference, not much, me and Ishwar, that's enough. Athatasya bhayam bhavati. For him, bhaya, fear is a bhai, dvaitadhi bhayam bhavati. Udaram kote, athatasya bhayam. Iti yajushruti. What is yajushruti? It is Taittiriya Upanishad. What does it say? Declare, say, bhayam brute. That person has got the bhayam. That is the key. So therefore what is to be done? No room for pramada, no room for Vishaya Chintana. One has to be very, very careful about it. Continuing.
Yata kadahi vipashideshaha brahmanyante janumata vedam pasyatyatha musyabhayam tadaiva yadvichitam vinnataya pramada advaya eshaha vipashchit yada kada va api anante brahmani api anumatra bhedam pashyati atha प्रमादात् भिन्नतया यद् वीक्षितं तदा एव
तदेव
अमुष्य भयम्। अगेन एषः विपश्चित् यदा कदा वा अपि अनन्ते ब्रह्मणि अपि अणुमात्रभेदं पश्यति अथ प्रमादात् भिन्नतया यद् वीक्षितं तदेव अमुष्य भयम्।
Question is, what is that bhaya? This is that bhaya. What is that bhaya? This also based on this. What is that? Tatveva bhayam vidusho manvanasya. That is the bhaya for a vidusha. Amanvanasya. Amanvanasya means one who doesn't have got the nishtha in the swarupa, or one who sees the reality. What is that? Eshaha vipashchit. Vipashchit means viveki in the sense brahmavit. Vipashchit can also mean medhari. Even vipashchit word is used for atma in Kathopanishad. That chit sarupa, that atma also is here viveki, but which viveki? Brahma chit. That is eshaha vipashchit yada kadavapi. Not always, at times, once in a blue moon. Yada kadavapi means whenever also. Whenever he sees, what he sees, yadakapi. Anante brahmani anumatra vedam pasya. In Brahma, which is ananta, which has no anta. Anta means parichhinnata, limitation. What are all limitations? Don't think ananta means our mind goes only to expanse of space, etc. Deshataha ananta. That is one aspect. Kalataha, vastutaha antatva also is there. That which is parichhinna, limited from space, time and object-wise also. So that's from this standpoint, the one that is ananta means desha, kala, vastu, aparichhinna. Such a thing should necessarily be what? Advaya. Ananta vastu, which is free from desha, kala, vastu, parichhinata, should necessarily be what? It should be, that is this Advaya only. So in this Anante Brahmani, in Advaya Brahma, Anumatram Vedam Pasha, not much, a little Veda. I am different, Jagat is different. Entire Jagat is manifested Ishvara, I am different from them. That's enough. Little, not much. Pashyati, says, Atha, thereby, says, Pramada, when Anumatra Antara is seen, Vishayas, they will dance afterwards. They start dancing. So Pramada, Bhinnataya, being himself or oneself being different from whatever that is seen as something different. Bhinnataya. Yadikshitam, whatever seen. Everything is Brahma except my neighbor. Except my neighbor, everything is Brahma. So then what happens? Yadikshitam Bhinnataya, whatever that was seen as different, says Tadeva Amushya Bhaya. That alone is the fear of this individual. Whatever that is taken to be different from oneself is the source of fear. That is not the source of fear. Oneness is थोड़ा सा भेद करेगा तो क्या बिगड़ जाएगा। 23 hours 55 minutes ब्रह्म ज्ञान, 5 मिनट थोड़ा संसार। That 5 minutes samsara will swallow. सत्य साई बाबा से मैरिड लाइफ में 5 minutes 5 minutes happiness, 23 hours 55 minutes really ulta. So that is no 23 hours 55 minutes Brahmananda, 5 minutes samsara, 5 minutes follow all your 23 hours 55 minutes. So that's the issue. So that's why, what is wrong is suppose little mistake is taken, again he is saying what is the calamity that is installed in within.
Shruti Smruti Nyaya Shatai Nishite Drushye Kaya Swasamatim Karoni Upaiti Dukho Paridukha Jatam Nishiddha Karta Samalim Lujo Yatha Advaya Yaha Atra Shruti Smruti Nyaya Sataihi Nishiddhe Drushye Swatmamatim Karoti Saha Dukkhovari Dukkhajatam Upaiti Yatha Nishiddhakarta Malindujaha. Again, Yaha Atra Shruti Smruti Nyaya Sataihi Nishiddhe Drushye Swatmamatim Karoti Saha Dukkhovari Dukkhajatam Upaiti Yatha Nishiddhakarta Malindujaha.
One who has identification with anything in the Drishya Rupa Jagat, which is forbidden by who? Shastra, comes to sorrows after sorrows. Okay. Yaha, one who is it. Yas Svatmamati is there, no? Yaha Svatmamati. Who is that Yaha? Atra Drishye. In this Drishya, what is the Drishya? Drishya Rupa Jagat. What type of Drishya Rupa Jagat it is? Shruti, Smruti, Nyaya Shataihi Nishiddhe. Drishya Jagat, which is negated by Shruti Shata, Smruti Shata, Nyaya Shata. Shata means not to be taken as 100 only. Many. By see, Shata Sahasra, these are taken as Bahusankhya-vachi, which signify a large number. We should not go literally 100, 1000 like that, unless the context is right. It may be for 100 and 100, 1000, but here it is Bahusankhya-vachi. So that will say, it is Atra, in this Drishya Jagat, what are Drishya Jagat it is? Which is negated, Nishiddha, forbidden means negated by any number of Upadeshadic statement, Vritti statement and reasoning. Drishatra Swatmamatim Karoti, has the notion that is me. One who takes to anything in the creation as me You know what happens? Karoti, that's asaktaha. Dukkho vai dukkha jatam upaiti. Sorrow, he gets subjected to sorrow after sorrow. You know why? So long as identification is there, if sorrows don't come, thank your stars. See, if sorrows don't come, thank your stars. If you have got little joy, thank your stars. Because Jagat is like Dukkhalayam Ashashita. Bold itself is Dukkha. You know that? This Alaya, they give the name for building and houses. So therefore, this Jagat name of this word is Dukkhalaya. And number two Ashashita. Dukkhalayam Ashashita. And in that, if we expect Sukha and Shashwati, how clever we are, you can judge. See, in spite of this, some wishful thinking is there. See, I think Shastra makes an exaggeration possibly. It is very, maybe it was an exaggeration. It is the truth. Because of some goodness that is there, that is fine. Thank your stars, that's all. But those stars will not be permanent. Those stars also, they are staying because everything changes, stars also change. So this is how it is. The poor stars don't tell anything. They don't save stars and planets. They are very innocent. But the great seers of the past studied the astronomy, and depending on the time of birth, they came to some conclusion, which can hold good generally, like our weather bureau, like our better than weather bureau, but there are many variables. Not only variables, there are fundamental defects in astrology. You know, number one, date of birth, time of birth may not be precise. Number one. Number two, all calculations of planets are based on 2 dimensions, whereas actual planets are 3 dimensions. That counts in error. Number two. Number three, the astrologer who is the interpreter. The olden days, Rishi used to take to this as what? As a seva of the people. They were not after money, not for the sake of money. So that's why they had anusthana of Parmeshwara. So that is the case. Their clarity of buddhi was there. Nowadays, with a computer, all everything is fed in the computer. We saying it's a business as such. That interpretation also what? Can go from all that they can get is calculation. So, but that also can go wrong. So therefore, better not put too much head in the astrology as such. But there is some science like that. There is a science to that effect, that is the action. At times it can give some indication, not more than that. So that dukkho vai dukkham. Stars and planets will not count at all. So it will become one after the other. Dukkha jatam says, dukkha jatam upaiti. Upaiti means prapnoti. For which an illustration is given. What is that? Chatha, just as Nishiddha karta mali muchaha. Mulali muchaha means a person who has malina antakarana, impure antakarana, who has done Nishiddha karma, like a thief actually. Just imagine the flight of the mind of a thief. He will suspect even the shadow. everyone will suspect. So maybe I am being caught, etc. So Balimlut can be chora, thief, or one more precisely, who is a person with a vikshiptam antakara. Why? Nishiddha karta, papi. One who has done Nishiddha karma means papi. One who is a papi. Now, the illustration, yatha Nishiddha karta malimruchaha dukkopari dukkham upaiti, that illustration is explained based on Chandogya Upanishad.
Satyavisanghanato vimuktaha mahatvamaniya upaiti nityam vichyavisanghanato nashet drustam tadekad yadachora-chorayo Anvaya Satyavisanghanaratah Vimuktaha Nityam Atmiyam Mahatvam Upaiti Vichyavisanghanaratah tu Nashet Tat Yat Achora Chorayo Tat Yat Achora Chorayo
Tat etat, yes, that is correct. Tat etat yat achora chorayo.
Tat etat Yat Achora Chorayo Drushtam. Again, Satyavisanghanaratah Vimuktaha Nityam Atmiyam Mahatvam Upaiti Vichyavisanghanaratah tu Nashet Tat etat Yat Achora Chorayo Drashtam.
To understand this verse, we should know the Chandogya context. In the Upanishadic period, at places there was this system of judiciary. You know, somebody is caught on the suspicion of theft or a crime. All you have to investigate them. They had a ready-made means. This person is told, look at Tapta Parashu, a red hot small axe, you know, Parashurama is stated that is what Parashu Rama. So that's a red hot Parashu axe will be given in your hand, you will have to hold. Tell the truth. If you have committed the crime, your hand will get burned, you will be punished. If you tell the truth, means if you have not committed that crime and tell the truth, your hand will not get burned, you will be acquitted. If you tell a lie, suppose he is a thief and he tells us, no, I have not stolen, and gets burned, he is punished. Suppose he is not a thief at all, no, I have not this thing, nothing happened, he is acquitted. When acquitted, what is the frame of mind? Nirvikara. Nirvikara means no education in the mind. Not only that, Pujatva. Oh, he is a noble person. He is not a thief. He is a noble person. In the eyes of others, he is held in high esteem. So, suppose he told his life and therefore his hard work punished him. What is the frame of mind? All vikaras and say chor. All is they say thief and told that he didn't stole, thief. So that this is what is called as mahatvam. Now see this. Satyadi sandhanarataha vimuktaha. A person who is committed to the truth means, he says, of course, suppose if he has committed the theft and he says yes, even if the hand is not burned, he will be because why? He has committed, he has admitted that this is crime as such. That is that. But it is when a false allegation is made and then he tells the truth, he is saved from the punishment and also insult and all that. Satyadi sandhanarataha. A person committed to the truth, he speaks the truth. In this case, what happens? Vimuktaha. He is acquitted. He is freed from the accusation. And nityam, always, atmiyam mahatvam upaiti. Upaiti gains means regain one's mahatma. What is mahatma? Two things. Nirvikara manasvam, sarva pujyatvam. A frame of mind free from vikara, free from guilt, free from agitation. So now other thing is what? Sarva pujyatvam. He is adored by this. He is a noble person. He is not an ignoble person. So he is held in high esteem by others. Why? He is committed to the truth. Mithyadi sandhanarataha to show the contrast. Mithyadi sandhanarataha. One who is committed to the falsehood and tells a lie, nashe, gets destroyed into punishment. Two punishments. One punishment for the crime, other punishment for telling a lie. So that is two punishments. So at that time, if truth is told, some concession is given, some mercy is shown, even in judiciary also. If truth is told, some mercy, depending on the seriousness of the case. So that is the question. From where did you get all these things? Says, Sadetat, this thing, Yat, Achora Yoho Drishtam. Is seen where in Chandogya, in the case of Achora, one who didn't steal and yet was caught and afterwards released. Other one stole but told a lie and punished. That is that. Other day in some other class, this context had come. I was telling, how nice it would have if this system were today from president and prime minister onward can be put in queue. Come on, did you take bribe? all goldman, touch it. Now you may say, how it would have possible? Maybe it was because of some anushtana and anugraha of some devata of that king or something. It is not perfect. It is not patented. At that when it was given, it was so. But it must be because of some anugraha of some devata, some boon must have been given and easy judiciary, quick judiciary. No files pending it or no thing. no cases pending. So it can be done. So that is that. Again.
Yatirasadanupannим bandhahetum vihaya swayamayamatmityatmadruhyaiva nishtet sukhayati nanu nishma brahmani swanubhutya यति बंधहेतु असद अनुसंधि स्वयं विहाय अयम अहम अस्मि इति आत्मदृष्ट्या एव तिष्ठेत्। ननु ब्रह्मणि निष्ठा स्वानुभूत्या सुखयति प्रतीतम् अविद्याकार्य दुःखम् परम हरति। अगेन यति बंध हेतु असद अनुसंधि स्वयं विहाय अयम अहम अस्मि इति आत्मदृष्ट्या एव तिष्ठेत्। ननु ब्रह्मणि निष्ठा स्वानुभूत्या सुखयति प्रतीतम् अविद्याकार्य दुःखम् परम हरति।
Yati means here sannyasi, one who wants to have Brahma Jnana Nishtha. Bandha hetum asad anusandhim swayam vihaya. Swayam vihaya, on his own, having given up bandha hetu, cause of bondage. What is that? Asad anusandhi chintana of asad means abrahma vishaya. Having given up the chintana of vishaya, which is abrahma, not brahma swarupa, vihaya, then ayam aham asmi iti atma drishtya eva tishte. You should remain abiding in atma swarupa. This atma is brahma swarupa, which is my swarupa. Means without chintana of anatma, which is vishaya, binding in nature, one should always abide in atma chintana, atma swarupa as brahma. So why so? Nanu. Here nanu means indeed or because. Indeed or because. Nanu says, nanu brahmani nishtha, firm abidance of the mind in Brahma, svanubhutya sukhayati, because of aparoksha anubhava, direct experience of one's own Paramananda Sarupa, sukhayati, it delights. And what does it do? So not only that, there is sukhayati and pratitam avidya karya dukkham param harati. And because he is leaving the body, and this is drishya, cognition will be there. Whatever sorrows that are imparted by pratita means experience. What are those? Avidya karya, effect of avidya, that is jagat. Param harati, param here means totally. It totally removes. Param harati, it totally removes. We'll see next time. Om Swasti Prajaja Paripalayam Nyayena Magena Mahimahisa Gobrahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Kale Varshatu Varjanyah Prithvi Tasya Shalini Desho